I had the coolest experience in my family the other day, and I want to share it with you because I think this could be great for your family too. And also learned a really important lesson from this. So, for about 10 years, we've had this tradition where when somebody has a birthday in the family, we will go around and tell that person what we love about them and express feelings of, just whatever we love about them and some of our favorite memories. The other day, we're doing this for mom, my wife, and we're all on Zoom because the kids are all over the world. And we're kind of going around and we're telling her what we love about her. Very special. I just tell you, if you're in the hot seat for this, you get to hear a bunch of reasons why your family loves you and what they appreciate about you. Pretty dang neat. Well, as we're going around, my grandson, who is with my oldest daughter, he's sort of listening in on this. And he says, "Hey, can I have a turn?" And it was so cute. He's 7 years old. And it actually did happen to be his birthday the following week. So we were like, "Yeah, let's do this for you. You want us to call you next week on your birthday?" And he's like, "No, I kind of want to do it right now." And so we were like, "Sure." So we all took turns telling this little boy how much we love him, what we love about him, what our favorite memories are of him. And I'm just telling you, if I could just show you the look on this boy's face, it was so precious. It was so special to see his face light up as he heard why we all love him. And it was amazing. And I want to share this with you because, Gary Chapman has the 5 love languages. One of them is words of affirmation, probably my love language too. Certainly this little boy's love language. And to watch his face light up and to see how much this meant to him. With your family, try this. It's such a great way to connect with each other. It's such a great way to feel love from each other. Here's the thing that really was super cool about this. A couple of days later, his mom, my oldest daughter, called me and told me this experience that she had with him. Basically, she'd had one of those bad parenting days where she literally said to me, it was not my best moment as a parent. And she had said some things to him out of frustration that hurt his feelings. And it was almost to the point where he was kind of inconsolable. Nothing worked. And she went back to him and, told him she was sorry and she didn't mean it. And it was like nothing really kind of got through to him. And then she had this idea because words of affirmation she learned was important to him. She said, "Okay, how about if I tell you 3 reasons why I love you so much?" And again, his face sort of lit up and he's like, "Okay." And she did that. And she said the transformation in his mood and in his face was instantaneous. And this is what's really cool about this, is that we can express our love specifically to our family members. And it's just great for them to hear. It is such a moment of connection, which is what I'm always talking about, how to connect with our kids. Here's another thing that's really important about this. If you want to find a way to connect with somebody really fast, repair something that you did to them that was not right. It could be big, it could be small. Nobody likes doing this. Nobody wants to say I'm sorry because it's hard. It requires us to be humble. It requires us to be vulnerable. And a lot of people don't like doing that. But I am telling you, when we go and make repair, it is instant connection with that person. If you want to have connection with your loved ones, your spouse, your kids, whoever, go and make repair, just like this mom did with this 7-year-old boy. And if you want to learn more about how to build really strong connecting relationships, I've got lots of info for you. I have a course called Connection and Credibility on my website, drtoddtalks.com. I've also got tons of free articles, YouTube videos, podcasts. It's all about how to connect and how to have a happy, loving, and intimate home. All right, I'll see you next time.